So moving forward, I want to make content that I enjoy making, and I want to give you guys content that you guys enjoy watching. So for the rest of the year, I'm actually not going to upload, and I'm going to focus on my plan for next year. You know, I've done a lot of self-evaluating, and I am not really doing exactly what I want to do on this channel yet. So I'm working on getting there, and the first time you guys will see me in 2021 is when I pull up with my brand new project car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next year. Peace. Wait, you guys are already here?
It's crazy to think that it's all led up to this. Today, May 29th. Today is the start of something special, and I can't wait to take you guys with me on this journey. What's good? Welcome back to the channel. It has been quite some time since I last saw you guys, but as promised, I am back. Now, a lot of things have changed since you guys last saw me. As you can see, we have a new wide angle lens, and this thing is gonna make the videos a lot more cool to watch. So I'm super hyped on that. But today is the start of something much bigger on this channel, and I am so incredibly hyped to bring you guys along with me. If you haven't caught on, I have secured a project car to work on this summer, and actually it is being delivered to my house right now. I actually bought the car yesterday, which unfortunately I didn't film anything, but I'm really excited for you guys to get the first look at the car that's basically going to be the foundation of this channel. With that being said, it would mean the world to me if you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, because the grind starts now. I'm going to be making videos, there's absolutely no excuse, and I'm so excited to learn and try new things this summer. So now it's really just a waiting game. I mean, I'm going to be looking out the window until the tow truck comes, and I'll check back in with you guys. It's here. It's here. Let's go. Oh my gosh. So sitting right in front of me now, I have my new 1998 Honda Prelude. And it's definitely gonna need some work. I'll give you guys a look at the back real quick. I love the back. I am so hyped on this car, man. Just looking at it in my garage. Oh my. This thing is gonna be fun. And I'm going to do a full walk around in the next video, but here's all you guys get to see right now. So yeah, I mean, this is the car that's gonna start it all. And oh, this is gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be so much fun. So of course, as you may expect, I definitely have a lot of plans for this car. I've been doing a lot of research, but it definitely needs to start off with a clean. Like, this thing is pretty dirty, as you can see. It's been like in storage for a minute, and we'll obviously go over the condition of the car in the next video. But this is it, man. I don't know. I'm kind of lost for words. This is gonna be a summer to remember for sure. I also want to show you guys my jack and my jack stands, which I got recently. They're all 3 tons, but unfortunately this jack is not really the best one. So I did order another one. I'm gonna have to return this when we can, you know, go back to essential retail. But you know, I think it's a nice start. You know, it's definitely a nice start. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And you know, today is, you know, wow, I can't even talk. But today is so important to me, and I'll forever remember. I can't even talk. I will forever remember this day. I just want to thank Dustin, the guy who sold me this car. Really considerate and nice guy. So thank you so much. I know you're gonna be watching the video, so tune in. I want to thank my parents for allowing me to do this, and I have something to prove to you guys, to myself, and to the people around me. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.